Well, hello, welcome to my channel Ride with Patrick. So as you see, it's winter outside, snow, and just got delivered my Sportster Roadster 2016 with Kesstech exhaust, so I didn't hear it much since it has been blacked out, so there was no tank, nothing. So I just hit it twice in the shop. So I tried to take sound with my mobile, but it didn't work that much. If the video is published, it means that the sound is quite alright according to my likings. I will make a video about all the different changes that have been made on the Roadster. So, or if you want, you can post it in the comment. We can have a little game of finding which changes has been made on it. So we'll see. I will put the mic about 20 centimeters away from the exhaust. It might click, we don't know, but usually the Tascam can it usually adapts the sound. So let's try. Ready, steady, go. We'll see if I didn't explode the mic. We'll see if it works. So thanks for watching and have a nice day, and see you next time. Ready, steady, go.